Water damage is one of the most costly problems in any property, causing leaks, mold, cracks, and even structural decay. In this video, we'll answer what is the importance of waterproofing, when should you use it, where is it needed, and who offers the best waterproofing product. Waterproofing membranes act as a strong barrier that protects roofs, walls, basements, and foundations from water intrusion. They resist hydrostatic pressure and help prevent expensive repairs. Apply waterproofing during construction or when you see signs like leaks, mildew, or peeling paint. Re-waterproofing helps stop further damage before it spreads. Waterproofing is needed from roof to walls, bathrooms, balconies, pools, and decks. Any surface exposed to water needs protection. And who offers the best waterproofing solution? CAMPBRIDGE Paints, trusted since 1987. Our products are tested, reliable, and built for extreme weather. Protect your property today with CAMPBRIDGE waterproofing products. Visit www.campbridge.com.ee to learn more.